Here's the latest on xtalks.com. Neuromuscular disorders, otherwise known as NMD, often cause functional decline, which is used as an endpoint in clinical trials. In early and late stage studies, investigators need more robust biomarkers capable of assessing changes in these diseases. Skeletal muscle MRI is emerging as a promising efficacy biomarker in NMD for clinical development. Hello, I'm Sonia Hunt, lead webinar moderator for xtalks.com, and welcome to this edition of Xtalks Vitals. Our feature webinar for this episode is Muscle Fat Replacement and Functional Decline in Neuromuscular Disorders, Quantitative Skeletal Muscle MRI in Clinical Trials. Click the link in the description below to receive the recording of this free webinar. The detection and measurement of NMD has been enhanced by skeletal muscle MRI. MRI is capable of tracking longitudinally the extent of muscle atrophy and muscle fat infiltration in patients with neuromuscular disorders. With the ability to objectively evaluate NMD across different disease stages and measure longitudinal changes, skeletal muscle MRI is an appropriate biomarker for diseases like facioscapulomuscular dystrophy, FSHD, Duchenne Muscular Dystrophy, DMD, and limb girdle muscular dystrophy, LGMD. Studies using MRI may help to enhance future clinical trials and identify the physical location of subtle changes in muscle that could provide a better understanding of neuromuscular diseases. Subscribe to the Xtalks YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below, and visit xtalks.com for more information on this story and our feature life science webinar for this episode, Muscle Fat Replacement and Functional Decline in Neuromuscular Disorders, Quantitative Skeletal Muscle MRI in Clinical Trials. Click the link in the description below to get the recording of this free webinar.